All right, well, welcome back. Well, UMC Children's Hospital is about to embark on the largest renovation in its history, but they need to raise some money in order to get this done, as you can imagine. So they're throwing a big party to do just that. So here to tell us all about the Evening of Hope Gala is the event's MC, Jeff Civillico. So thanks for joining us.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
So quick, right off the top, Gala or Gala? What do you say?
You know, I'm a Gala guy.
Okay, because I interchange, and I never know which one is going to come out.
I'm going to try to stay consistent through the next couple minutes.
So we're going to say
Gala?
Okay, all right, let's stick with that. So talk about this gala. You were telling us off air that this is a unique event.
I would love to tell you about this gala.
Okay.
No, this is a really, really unique gala. Now I'm going to be
melting your head.
Yeah, I've honestly had the pleasure of hosting a lot of events in Las Vegas as well as nationally, and UMC just does it differently. They do it better, in my opinion. Last year was over the top, and this year somehow they've been able to top it. So you've got the venue. They transform these venues. Paris, Las Vegas is going to become New York City for the night.
Okay.
So the whole thing, skyline, iconic moments, under the stars, Broadway, of course. There's a central park there, you know, with benches and streetlights and street performers. So that's awesome. Then you've got the entertainment, and it's a tough town to bring in entertainment, right, that we haven't seen before.
For sure.
And UMC does such a great job of honoring Vegas local talent, with people like myself being there, but then also bringing in people that we have not seen in this town. Idina Menzel, Tony Award winner. Idina Menzel is performing. You've got James Snyder performing. Aloe, Blacc. You've got Michael Orland. These are not people that you can just, you know, grab a ticket to on the strip. So very exclusive entertainment. And then the food, I mean, an absolute feast.
I mean, we saw some of the,
we
saw some of the video. That food looked amazing.
Yeah, I mean, you can try a little bit of everything, mix and mingle. It's not going to be like a sit-down stuffy, you know, chicken or fish. It's like you can have a little bit of everything, pop around all the different stations, and chat and have a good time. It's going to be fun.
So this is all for a great cause, of course, for the hospital renovation. So talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, UMC, public nonprofit hospital, been serving the Valley over 90 years. They do so much for us, right? I mean, October 1, COVID, this is our chance to give back to them. There's a historic renovation coming to UMC Children's Hospital, expected to bring in $1 million, going to upgrade patient rooms, treatment areas, play spaces, as well as areas for team members to help make things more efficient on that side. So
I love that.
I'm really excited. Just, yeah, renovations across the board.
Okay. So are there still tickets available? Because, I mean, this sounds like a great event.
Yes, you got to be there. Come on, this is a gala to remember.
Okay.
Yes, Evening of Hope Gala tickets are available, umcsn.com/gala, October 13th.
All right, we have 30 seconds left. Tell me your favorite part of the event, because this is your second time doing it.
Yeah, honestly, I think it's got to be the ability to mix and mingle, because I'm a talker, and I like to see a lot of people. Sometimes at these galas, you can talk to maybe one person on your left, one person on your right. This gala, I think, is reflective of what UMC does, which is bring people together, brings the community together. So now we can all mix, mingle, have fun, see a lot of different people, and yeah, just have a good time.
Awesome. You tied that up in a nice little bow, brought it back. You are a professional. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.